Imagine surviving a massive medical crisis, finally catching your breath, only to end up back in the hospital a few months later. Now imagine finding out your insurance balance is sitting at exactly zero right when you need it most. Standard health insurance policies have a built-in ceiling. You purchase a base sum insured, which acts as a finite pool of money. Every major claim you make drains that pool until it's completely dry. Once you hit that ceiling, you're on your own. Any further medical emergencies in that same year mean massive out-of-pocket bills, adding severe financial stress precisely when a patient needs to focus on recovery. This is exactly the vulnerability Galaxy Health addresses with their unlimited automatic restoration rider. It's an optional add-on that acts as an automatic refill system for your coverage. Instead of treating your health coverage as a single limited bucket of funds that eventually runs out, this rider creates an endlessly renewing financial safety net that catches you no matter how many times you fall. Let's look at this graphic showing a standard 12-month timeline. Here, a family starts the year holding a base policy equipped with the restoration rider, represented by this coverage bucket filled to 100% capacity. In month 3, a severe critical illness strikes. The resulting hospital bills are substantial, draining the entire base sum insured down to zero and leaving the primary policy completely exhausted. Under normal circumstances, this family would be unprotected for the next 9 months. But because they have the rider, the full utilization rule triggers. The policy instantly tops up the coverage limit back to maximum capacity, requiring zero manual intervention. We can see this exact mechanic in the official policy document for the rider. Looking at Section 3A, Condition C plainly states, on full utilization of the sum insured, it will be reset to 100%. Because of this automatic reset, the family has full financial protection for the remainder of the year. They don't have to serve new waiting periods or file complex paperwork to get their safety net back. Fast forward to month 8, and a second, entirely separate medical emergency occurs. A standard depleted policy forces the patient to pay this second bill entirely out of pocket, but the restored rider funds cover it completely. Looking back at the rider text, we see a crucial detail about how these restored funds function. They can be utilized for a subsequent hospitalization for the exact same illness that drained the account initially, or a completely different injury. So we know what happens when a bill wipes out the entire account. But what if a hospital visit only drains a fraction of your total coverage? This visual demonstration shows the partial utilization rule in action. If a claim drops your coverage limit by 40%, checking the policy wording again, Condition E establishes the no carryover boundary. Any unutilized reset benefits wipe clean at the end of the term and do not roll over to the next year. Page 2 establishes a geographic boundary. Claims must be made within India. Furthermore, this rider is an add-on purchased exclusively with a base policy, like the Galaxy Promise Elite plan. You can easily add it during your initial purchase or upon annual renewal. By adding this single rider, policyholders alter how their health plan operates. You guarantee that your family's financial defense never hits zero, right when they need it most.